Take a ride in the 2023 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.